Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today I'm going to tell you why I think ChatLLM is one of the best, if not the best, AI tools on the market. There are a lot of reasons, and I'm going to go through them. Let's do it. All right, so the first reason why I think this is the best AI tool is simple. The large language models in Abacus AI's ChatLLM Teams are the best, in my opinion. If you sign up for OpenAI, you get the GPT models. If you sign up for Claude, you get Sonnet 3.5, Haiku, etc. If you sign up for ChatLLM Teams, you get them all, and some extras on top of that here. If I click this little down button here, you'll see we've got for Omni, Claude Sonnet 3.5, O1, O1 Mini. We've got the Gemini models. I mean, they're all in here. They've even got their own open source Abacus AI Dracaris. They create their own open source model, and it does really, really well. And I mean, Llama 3.3, the list goes on, Haiku, etc. So having access to all of these with a literal drop-down button is amazing. So that's my first reason. The second thing I should mention while I got you here is that it is half the price of a ChatGPT subscription. So keep that in mind here. You get access to not only the GPT models, you get all the other models, and it's half the price of a single subscription for GPT. So there's my first and second reasons. Let's get into the next one. All right, so not only do you get access to all the large language models and at half the price of a ChatGPT subscription, you can also do AI image generation. Look here, when I click on image, check this out here. I get access to all of these generative AI models. They are all in here, and these are the best ones. Check this out. When I click on that little button here, Flux 1.1 Pro, 1.1 Pro Ultra, Canny, Depth, DALL-E 3 from OpenAI, Recraft version 3, which is tearing up the leaderboards here, Ideogram. You can select from any of these, type in your prompt, and start creating images. And someone like me who creates YouTube videos, I create blog posts, I use this all day, nonstop, and it is fantastic. So there's my third reason. Now, let's talk about video. All right, now AI image generation is awesome, don't get me wrong, but they have AI video generation as well. And this is where some magic happens. If I click on the More button here, you'll see here we've got video gen. When I click on that, watch this. We've got access to Luma Labs, Kling AI, Runway, Hailuo AI, and these aren't just regular open source type models. These are the best state-of-the-art AI video generators on the market. They are the best ones with APIs, and they're all available in ChatLLM Teams. I use this all the time as a YouTube video creator and editor. I do this all day, every day. They're ready to go. They're just drag and drop. All right, let's get to the next one. All right, the next thing I want to talk to you about is the coding functionality inside ChatLLM Teams. If you thought the other stuff's cool, this is even cooler here. You can, of course, select which large language model you want to code in. I like to code with Sonnet 3.5, but if you like O1 Mini or O1 or any of these other ones, go ahead and use it. I'm going to go back to Sonnet 3.5, but watch this here. Down at the bottom, you'll see there's something called Code, and then there's Playground. If we want to go ahead and use Playground, well, it's going to go ahead and open up a side window or an artifact window. So if I said something like, hey, create an interactive metrics dashboard for a website, display KPI, something like that, look at that here. It just loads up the side gig here. It just pops open the window and off we go. Absolutely amazing. But it gets a little better here. Now, watch this. I'm going to click on New Chat, start from scratch. I'm going to open up the side here, the side tab. And underneath here, you're going to see something called CodeLLM. This is brand new. This is included in your ChatLLM subscription. Again, for $10. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. Click on that here. And here we go. You'll see here you get access to CodeLLM. It's an AI code assistant and editor, and it is fantastic. It is also VS Code based, and I've got it open, of course, here. And here it is on my desktop. Check it out here. If you've used VS Code or VS Code Studio, you know exactly what's going on here. This comes included with the subscription, with all the AI image, all the AI video, the large language models, etc., etc. This is included. It's absolutely crazy, but there's actually more. Let me show you a few more things. All right, the next thing I want to show you and I want to talk about are AI agents, AI chatbots. This is expected to be the year of AI agents, that of course being 2025, and ChatLLM has you covered in spades. Up at the top here, when I click on the down arrow, check this out here. Down at the bottom, you're going to see AI Engineer. It allows us to create custom chatbots and AI agents. When I click on it, check this out. Left side, it says create a custom chatbot. Right side, create an AI agent. I have made videos on both of these topics, but let me just show you how easy it is to do. So I just selected create an AI agent, and look at that here, AI agent wizard. We get a couple of options: email answering agent, document entity extraction agent, news reporter agent, custom specification if you've got your own agent in mind. Click the buttons, hit submit, and it walks you through the process. So getting AI agents, AI chatbots up and running in 2025 is an absolute piece of cake with ChatLLM Teams. Let me show you one last thing. All right, the last thing I want to show you is their computer agent. Yes, they've got a pre-built AI agent that can take actions for you hands-free. Just go ahead and type in what you want, or just click a button and it goes ahead and does that. But I want to do a quick honorable mention here. Up at the top here, you'll see Root LLM. This is smart routing technology. So if you type a prompt in, it will go ahead and select the best large language to use based on your prompt or query. So that is built in. You just go ahead and select it just like that. Also down here, you'll see they've got SearchLLM as well. So they've got the ability to search the various large language models and search the internet in real time. Some of the older LLMs had a stop date, I think of October or something, 2023. I can't remember the exact dates, but yeah, just use SearchLLM and you've got real-time search ready to go. Also, while I got you here, check this out here. Let's go back to Sonnet 3.5. You can also see here that you can do other cool things like create PowerPoint generations. So if you're a PowerPointer and you're a middle manager and you need a PowerPoint, just go ahead and type in what you want, click on that, and off you go. And you can also do things like humanizing if you're writing content for the web and you want to make it sound more human sounding, etc. That is also in here, as well as a lot of other cool things. However, let's get into computer agent. This is on the left side. If you don't see it, just go ahead and click on that little tab here. Open it up. Computer agent opens up a new tab. Watch this. I've made a video about this in the past, but look at this here. I'm going to go ahead and say, show me flights to Greece. I'm going to click that button here, or you can type in something if you want. And watch this, hands-free, you'll see here that the agent is going to go ahead and start doing that for me. And it's telling you exactly what it's doing. And then you can see here on the screen that it's typing in on your behalf, looking from Athens to wherever we're going here. This is an agent. It's doing it. Again, this is hands-free. I'm not typing or texting or anything. It's all in there. All of these things are included in ChatLLM Teams for $10 a month, including the code editor and all that other stuff, guys. This is absolutely the best deal, in my personal opinion, in all of the AI world. You got to try it out. There's a link in the description. Let me know what you think of this video. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.